Welcome in, wealthy soul. If your vibration is all about true wealth and wellness, or you're looking for that vibration, then you've found the right place. If you're not subscribed, come on in and join our wealthy tribe. Subscribe. I focus here on true wealth, meaning we don't just take a look at the cha-ching, the coins, although we love the coins and we know it's paramount. We also take a look at the spiritual side of wealth. And part of the mission is to help us to all get comfortable with spiritual and material wealth as we navigate the world of wellness, because we want to make sure we're also enjoying good health, mind, body, and spirit. In this video, I'm attaching some quick money mantras or money affirmations that are focused on helping us to attract more money, to be more comfortable with money, and to truly appreciate and love money for all the wonderful things that it does for us. This is going to help us to build a beautiful relationship with money, or to continue to build a wonderful relationship with money. But before we get into it, if you are looking for an opportunity to earn income, even if you already have a job or a business, and you're looking to maybe add another level of service to the business that you already have, I'll put a video in the description section for you to take a look at. This is not about getting rich quick and all that. It's about plugging into a system that works, that can help you to build generational wealth. This type of business you can will to your children if you have any, or to those that you choose to will it to after you've taken off. Now, after you've taken a look at the video, reach out back to me if you feel like it's for you. If you enjoy helping others and you care about making a difference in our community, then this might be for you. This is available to our family in the US and in Canada. So without further ado, let us get into these amazing affirmations. And remember, affirmations work when you feel them, when you repeat them. It must vibrate with you. So be sure to replace any words that I may use that you're not comfortable with. Make it your own, customize it and extend it, recreate. I'm just setting the foundation, but you have the task of taking it and making it your own so that they can truly work for you. Or if it just works for you the way that I've done it, then fine. Use it as best as you see fit for you and your wealthy journey. Let us get into these affirmations. I circulate money. Every time I use money, it comes back to me multiplied. My money flow continues to increase, and for that, I am grateful. I enjoy using money. I enjoy money flowing right back to me abundantly. Money is a beautiful blessing in my life, and I always welcome large sums of money into my life. I am a money magnet. Money is attracted to me, and I am attracted to it. I love money, and money loves me. Money and I have a beautiful relationship. My relationship with money keeps on evolving and getting better. I deserve to enjoy large sums of money.